Popular Nigerian female musician Tiwa Savage has revealed the height of nervousness she felt at the historical coronation of British monarch King Charles III, which almost ruined her performance. It is worthy of mention that Tiwa Savage became the first Nigerian artist to perform at a British royal event after thrilling guests at the coronation concerts and big launch in March. Appearing recently on Good Morning Britain TV show, Tiwa Savage admitted that she was nervous in the first few seconds of her performance at Windsor Castle. Nigerian singer Abi Toyib Elias, popularly known as Skiibii, has revealed that the rave of the moment Asake used to be his dancer before his musical career skyrocketed. He said the Amapiano crooner was living with him during the early days of his career and used to accompany him to perform at shows. Skiibii disclosed this while appearing as a guest on the latest episode of the Afrobeat podcast hosted by British Nigerian media personality Shopsy Do. Recall that blaqbonez had praised Asake for his wonderful backup singing while they were students of Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State. How many more things can Asake do?